guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. So today I actually have a very different video for you. This video is mainly gonna be for those people that are like into tech and into cameras and everything. This is not gonna be a makeup tutorial. So if you want to know more about the Canon Rebel T6i and just an unboxing of it, I wanted to do unboxing just because, you know, I love watching those kind of videos, and maybe there's other people out there that like to watch it as well. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the box of the camera right here. Right here. This is how the camera box looks like. They all look kind of the same. I have the Canon T5 and the box looks exactly the same. I'm not even sure if they're different. I don't think so. But yeah, this is how the box looks like real quick, and we're just gonna open it. And this is how it is inside when you unbox it. Right here. This is how it is inside. It just brings your EOS Rebel T6i. And this camera is also called the 750D. I know in like other countries they have different names. And this is just the basic instruction manual. And then it also brings the EOS Digital Solution disc. And I believe this is the CD that has the application where you could change the settings of the camera through your computer. So I think this is it. This is like the software that you can use for Mac or Windows. But you could download this through the internet if you don't even have this. So it's okay if you don't. And then it also brings to register the camera right here. And then it also brings the limited warranty thingy-majiggy right here that mainly nobody ever does. And then it also brings a more warranty paperwork. Why 3? I don't know. And then you take this off right here. And then this is how it looks like. And then this right here is the cord for the camera to hold it like in your neck, so if you're taking pictures you won't drop it, because if you drop these cameras you're done, because the lens will be done. And then right here is the battery. I'm gonna open it. Right here is the battery. Right here, looks like this. And then if you keep looking through the box, you also have your cable. And I'm so excited to use this camera to film videos, because although the one I had before wasn't bad, I felt like my quality could be better, and the quality for this one is like 5 or 6 megapixels more than the other one, so I'm really excited. And then also brings the cable to connect it to your laptop or PC or whichever you want to connect it to. And then it also brings your battery right here. This one is the one you put in here to charge, like that. Brings the lens. Oh gosh, I love this. So it brings the lens, and it brings the basic lens. It doesn't bring any fancy lens. And this is just the 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and it looks like this. And then for the most exciting thing is the camera. Zip. And this is the camera right here. Oh my god, this is my first time opening this camera. I'm so happy. I feel like I've been struggling to find the perfect camera, and this one is just got me sucked. Oh, I'm so happy. Y'all have no idea how much I've wanted a camera like this one. I had the T5, the one that I've been filming all my videos with. You guys already know. If you follow me, that's the camera that I love. But this one is just beautiful. It comes like this. This thing you could take off and then put the lens, and then you just, so it looks like. And this camera looks like that. The best thing is that this camera has a flip screen. Hey, I'm so happy. Woohoo! So yeah, it looks like this. On the back has your settings, your everything, and then like that. Beautiful camera. Like this. Comes with a flash as well up there. And yeah, it's beautiful. There you go. Alright, so here's the camera with the lens attached. Beautiful. Isn't this the most beautiful camera you guys have ever seen in your whole entire life? So beautiful. I believe that this camera has 24 megapixels. The other one that I had when I filmed my videos, if you're curious, I think it had 18 megapixels, which was really good. But then when you will watch my videos in like a bigger screen, you will find my features to be a little fuzzy, a little blurry. So that's why I really wanted this one. 18 and 24, like it's a no-brainer of which one you should have. So I'm so happy that I have this camera. This is gonna be my baby. Like it's just so beautiful. So yeah, this is the video that I have for you guys. I will continue to do more videos around this camera because when I was purchasing it, I didn't find any videos that was helping me to choose the correct camera for me. So I was getting a little like annoyed, to be honest. But that's why I want to do it for you guys. I'm gonna put videos of how I edit with the camera, how I film, the settings I use and everything, just to help you if you're looking for that video as well. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and then I will put those videos for you guys very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.